One is 18, one is 16, and the one who's 18, she's now studying in USA. And I had the privilege to visit her last week. So I was in Boston, in the United States, and there was a big statue there with arms, four arms hugging each other. It was no faces, nothing. There was just four arms hugging each other, and there was a description of the statue, so I thought I could read that for you. Love is such a powerful force. It's there for everyone to embrace. That kind of unconditional love for all of humankind. That is the kind of love that impels people to go into the community and try to change conditions for others, to take risk for what they believe in.
Yeah. Well,
I thought that was suitable for this gathering.
Very powerful.
right.
Very powerful.
Right.
I can share it, I can write it down now. It's here, but I will send it to Fernanda so she can share it.
Clap होनी चाहिए अफशान.
Maria, would you like to say something?
Yes, just thank you so much to each and every one of you for taking your time to come and share your stories with us. We have appreciated that very, very much, and I will keep it here.
Yeah. Thanks.
I'm also very impressed about the work you are doing, and it's so many experiences with people from different regions and grassroots level organizations, politicians, scholars, scientists. I'm very impressed, and I am also very grateful for you being there here and sharing with us all the awesome passion that you have in your work and the interest for building peace in Pakistan. I'm very impressed. Thank you very much.
बस आपने तो खुद भी समझ ही लिया होगा, लेकिन सबके लिए जो बात निकल कर सामने आई है कि वो भी आपकी तरह बहुत खुश हैं कि आपने उन्हें टाइम दिया और वक्त निकाल कर आए हैं, और उन्होंने कहा